Hello, and welcome to the Nissan Doctor. In today's video, we are going to replace the engine air and the cabin filters on a Nissan Kick. Let's start with the engine air filter. Start by unplugging the mass airflow sensor connector. You do not want to be pulling on the wires and damaging them. Then, unhook the two clips holding the engine air filter cover and replace the filter. Reverse the process to finish, and don't forget the mass airflow sensor connector. Now, let's get the cabin filter done. This one is a little tricky, but I'm positive you can get it done. Start by removing the side panel to gain access to the cabin filter's door. Push on the cabin filter's door clip to remove it. Follow what the technician is doing to replace the filter. Just reverse the process to finish. Congratulations, you just replaced both filters on your Nissan. Don't forget to follow the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.